Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Today, we are diving into a critical topic from market entry into one of Southeast Asia's fastest-growing economies, Vietnam. Specifically, we will cover the essential labeling and language requirements for medical devices. Getting this wrong is one of the most common reasons for costly delays at customs. The foundational rule is straightforward but strict. All mandatory information on a medical device label must be in the Vietnamese language. This is governed primarily by Decree 98/2021 NDCP and related labeling decrees. For international manufacturers, this does not mean you need to redesign all of your original packaging. The most common and accepted solution is the use of a supplementary label or a sticker that is affixed to the product's original packaging. This supplementary label must contain all the required information in Vietnamese. So what information is mandatory? The label must clearly display the name of the medical device. It must show the name and address of the registration number owner in Vietnam. The country of origin and the manufacturer's name and address are also required. You need to include the lot number or serial number, the date of manufacture, and the expiry date. Any special storage conditions or warnings must be clearly stated in Vietnamese. Finally, the label must list the name and address of the Vietnamese importer or distributor responsible for the product. It's crucial that this supplementary label is added before the product is sold to the end user. A particularly important component is the instructions for use, or IFU. The IFU must also be provided in Vietnamese. A common pitfall is assuming that an English IFU will be acceptable, especially for professional use devices. This is not the case. For example, a European company recently had a large shipment of Class B diagnostic equipment detained at a Ho Chi Minh City port. Their primary packaging and IFU were all in English, compliant with CE marking. However, the lack of a Vietnamese supplementary label and a translated IFU meant the entire shipment was held. This resulted in weeks of delays and significant costs to have a local agent perform the relabeling in a bonded warehouse. This scenario is incredibly common and entirely avoidable with proper preparation. For certain low-risk devices, there are some provisions for electronic or online IFUs, but this must be verified for your specific product class. Navigating these detailed requirements is essential for a smooth market entry into Vietnam. For expert guidance on ensuring your products are fully compliant with the latest regulations in Vietnam and across the ASEAN region, feel free to email or visit Chen-Global.